Holy fire, holy water, holy money, only money, only money, only money. We are woody fire, woody thunder, only money, only money. We are sucker, 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 baby. Sucker, 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 sucker. We are giving locker, 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 locker. Yo, 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 yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do this sunset bronzy makeup look, you know, and we're gonna just glow. Okay, I just want to glow today, so that's what we're going to do. All right, so to start off, I'm going to add some concealer on my eyelid just so I can we want to work on a blank canvas. Okay, it will help your shadow to pop up more. So we're just gonna add some concealer. I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the color 30 Cafe. Eyelid, bum bum bum, bum bum bum. Then I'm gonna use my Cinema Secret setting powder. Just tap it all over your eyelid. By the way, this is my first time filming on my iPhone. I notice sometimes when my hands get somewhere here, it tends to kind of like make the quality not the best. I just want something that's a little bit easier for me in order for me to be able to film, so that's why I'm trying this out. That part is annoying, but we'll see after I edit this video how it's gonna look. Okay, so now that we have set our concealer, I'm going to go with my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I recently got this. I don't know why it took me so long to get, but I finally got this and I love all the colors. Okay, I mean, look at that. Such pretty colors. Just keep adding till you get your desired intensity from the color. I'm gonna use both colors. I'm gonna use this one like a pop. I'm gonna take the orange and add a little bit more to the corner of the eye. And then we're gonna take another blending brush. I'm going to dab into this brown right here. Alright guys, so here I am using my Smashbox photo finish primer in my oily T-zone, and it's also going to help me minimize my pores around this area. And then I'm going to add the Fenty moisturizer around the perimeter of my face. And of course I'm using the Fenty foundation in color 420, number 420. I am obsessed with this foundation. I feel like I've used it way too many times in my videos, but I promise my next video I'm going to switch it up. And here I am concealing my under eye, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, number 30 Cafe. And I haven't been color correcting under my eyes lately, so as you'll see in this video, I'm using two different concealer. I went ahead and added the ColourPop concealer underneath my eyes because I felt like I needed it to be a little brighter, which I think in turn made it too light towards the end of the video, but I mean, you live and you learn. So here I am just blending the ColourPop concealer, and I'm just going to contour my face with my black opal stick foundation, and I believe this is in the color Ebony. And I added some of that underneath my chin just to make my make it look a little bit slimmer, and just contouring my nose. And here my setting up my concealer so it doesn't crease up on me. I don't like baking too much because I feel like sometimes it's really hard for me to blend it. I just don't like that look. I don't know. So I use as little powder as I can so it doesn't look too light. And here I am just over contouring my face, of course, because you know I got some fat cheeks. You know, I gotta make sure they look snatched. So yeah. Alright, so this lippy thing right here, this was something that I saw at Easy Pickings at the counter. So I figured it was like such a nice color. I think I got it during fall time. I was like, okay, this will be cute. This will be cute. So, and then I'm just gonna use that. It's not the best, but I like the colors. This is what's gonna do my lips, my makeup justice right now. So. Shucks, y'all, I forgot to outline my lips, but that's okay because I can always do that. This is just a regular old brown pencil. You can just get one from the beauty supply store. They're like $1. This is the Pop of Glitter Makeup Transformer Gel in the color Glided Bronze. I wanted to use it on my face, so I was like, not today, but this can also be used on your lips too. So I'm going to use this lip applicator, and I'm going to add that to my lips. So this product was a no-go for me. I mean, it was pretty cheap, but I just really liked the color. But however, I noticed when I rubbed my lips together, it just kept transferring to my upper lip, so that was a no-no. Alright guys, so this is it for the tutorial. I really hope that you guys like this. I am totally loving this. I'm loving the glow, the orange, the mustard together. It's just bomb. And my hair is popping, okay? Popping. But yes, I really hope that you guys like it. Please subscribe, comment, share. Okay, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on that bell so when I post another video you guys will be notified as well. So toodles.